There's our radar right now, Max HD radar. The track line there is just the track that low pressure area has followed. It is now low pressure. It is not extratropical. It has lost all its tropical characteristics, just an area of low pressure, but it did manage to pull a lot of rain up here. Now, I think one of the things one of the positive things is you look south of that track line, if you will. And Louisville is just barely north of the track line. Look south of the track line, you see an occasional break. They're not big, but there are some little breaks there in the rain. The rain tends to get a little lighter. The lighter green is the lighter rain. Okay, that's something hopeful. She's smiling over there. Everything's fine. Now, I do like this. We're not dealing with, and we're not going to deal with the kind of wind we had yesterday. You see there's a few gusts up around LaGrange to 14 miles an hour, but through our area here in the metro, in downtown, all morning long, we've not dealt with any wind is not a factor. They're putting up the tents and the tree leaves are not moving any. Okay, St. Matthews Elementary, this is MSD rain gauges, 2/3 of an inch. Roosevelt Elementary, 2/3 of an inch. Valley Station, 8500s. West Point, 3/4 of an inch. Now we'll check some other rain gauges in the viewing area. Looks like everybody's picking up Brandenburg's 8900s. This is needed rain. Shelbyville coming up on an inch. Same thing at Frankfort. In Louisville, we've had 3/4 of an inch. Now this is since midnight. This does not take into consideration yesterday's total. Now let's talk about where we are going. No current alerts. That's good. Current alerts, the senses of flooding dangers or anything like that. There's our Max HD radar. Let's go to Futurecast now. Here we are, the morning hours. But look, as it pinwheels around today, getting into the nighttime hours, you'll begin to see some breaks. And then as we go to the overnight, heading into tomorrow, it really, really starts to improve very greatly. And we are grateful for that. Tomorrow we'll have more of a shower pattern. Spotty showers, I think is what we'll call it. Now, here is your 7-day weather impact forecast. Weather impact days today and tomorrow. And the impact is the rain, raincoats and umbrellas and the like. Tomorrow, 73 after 69 today. And we get past tomorrow, it starts improving rapidly. The big transition day will really be Tuesday. Cold front comes through. Look at the rest of the week. Oh, is that beautiful or not? Some good fall weather coming through.